Hello there guys and girls. Right, today I think I might have a little bit of a fix for this annoying Windows 10 internet keeps disconnecting and reconnecting every so often. If you look in your device, in your event manager, if you know how to access that, it's not important, you don't have to look at this. You'll notice you keep getting this E1D Express event ID 27 error that keeps coming up every time your network disconnects and reconnects. I guess you've already done this trick with the power management thing, this horrific thing here, which never fixes the problem. It might do for some people, but it doesn't with others. First things first, okay, update your driver to the latest version. If you can do that, it's nice and simple to do. Just go into your driver and just click update driver, let it finish off doing its thing. And then you go to advanced. And in this tab here, this tab's a bit scary, okay? Now you do want to be careful what you select and play around with in here, okay? Now, a lot of people say change your speed, but don't do that, don't bother about that. Get this energy efficient Ethernet and turn it into off. Get rid of it. Ever since I've done that, I've never had the internet disconnect and reconnect. And that goes for any of this energy efficient crap, that they keep packing into computers nowadays. Okay, it's nice to have, if it's on a laptop, it saves your battery and all that. Sure, that's great. It's just a pain in the ass when it starts messing other things up. So literally anything to do with energy, say battery saving and stuff, I've just turned it off in this this little advanced menu here. Like this wait for link and stuff, I've even gone so far as to turn that off. Forced, I've got those settings. I'll just go through each one here so you can see if you can set it to the same thing. So I'll just use the keyboard. Cat sounds like it's having a bit of fun. I've got a baby little kitten, and sounds like he's clawing my mum. There you go. So just follow this. Set it up as you see this. And if you set your device up how this one is set up, you should never get that annoying issue where it keeps disconnecting itself from the internet. I've been spending about a week on this machine. This is also a fresh clean install of Windows 10. It's been crazy annoying. Anyway, like I say, hopefully this will fix your issue. Like I say, fingers crossed. Since I've done this, I've never had the issue yet. And the last time I had this issue was 6/19, and it's been over an hour, and you can see how frequently I have been getting this error come up. And like I say, since I did all that changing around, it has not come up since. Like you see, look how recently it was happening. It was literally like every other couple of minutes. And since I've changed that setting in there, completely fixed my internet. Really hope this works for you guys. I know Windows 10 is a pain in the backside when it comes to this kind of stuff. But if this fixes it for you, I thought I'd do a video. It's another thing for to try, and I hope it works for you. I really do. Thought I'd share this with you guys. Peace out. Thank you for watching.